Good afternoon, my friends. This is what's for dinner tonight. It's pasta casserole. So when you take it out from the stove or when you heat it, sprinkle it with the grated cheese, whatever cheese you like, and you eat this with with mushrooms and everything. Garlic bread. I have garlic or French bread that I made last week. I'm gonna put that in the oven and eat that hot with this one. My friends, please subscribe, hit that button down there, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell button so you get notified in my next video. So let's support together. Please help me. I'm going to help you. So I'll show you how I made it. Please follow me and I'll see you in a little bit. My family and friends, today I'm going to make panini pasta. It's like almost like a pasta casserole. So what are the ingredients of that? We have this type of noodle. It's like elbow type noodle or panini noodle. And then we have, sometimes I use the red spaghetti sauce. And then sometimes I use the white. So it depends on you which one you like and what you feel like using. And 2 cans of mushrooms. The fresh one is good, but since I don't have fresh one today, I'm going to use the mushrooms in the can. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then, of course, seasoned salt. And we have, I made or I chopped onions and garlic and chicken. And then I'm going to use shrimp today. And then I grated cheese. So after, when everything is cooked, you just sprinkle cheese on the top. So first of all, I'm going to boil the noodles. My friends, this is the second part of the pasta that I boiled earlier. So what we have to do is put olive oil. I love the 100% pure olive oil. It's healthy for you. So maybe you put like 2 tablespoons. Okay, that's good. Okay, so when that's hot, I put the garlic and onions. That smells so good. And then when that's golden brown, then you put the chicken, sliced chicken or chicken strips. And then I put all-purpose salt, seasoned salt. When that's a little bit brown, I put that shrimp. And then I love black pepper. I don't know, it just, and when it's fresh, you grind it yourself, it smells good. You cook the shrimp for a few minutes. So when that's cooked, add the mushrooms. I love mushrooms. And then to balance the sweetness of the mushroom and the shrimp, put like a pinch of salt, very tiny. So when that cook, need to add the boiled pasta. Cook that for like 3-4 minutes. Here is our pasta. I put the pasta and then mix with the sauce. You can put tomato paste and put a little bit of whatever sauce you like. And leave it there for 2-3 minutes. And then the top you can put the grated cheese. And then you can eat this with, just like this, with the French bread. I made French bread last week, so I can just take that out from the freezer and then put in the microwave or in the toaster oven and eat this with that. So you're proud if you you cook it yourself, and then it's hot when you serve this to your family. And my friends, you have a good dinner.